At Dick Van Dyke Appliance World in Champaign, we'll beat any competitor's deal. We'll beat any competitor's deal on refrigerators and freezers, and washers and dryers, ranges, microwaves and dishwashers. I guarantee the best deal on your next appliance purchase.
Charlotte's trying to decide to get this Whirlpool 5-door refrigerator from Dick Van Dyke or the big lumberyard store. Dick Van Dyke has same-day service.
They don't.
A free 5-year protection plan.
They don't.
Both refrigerators are the same, but after delivery and warranty, we'll save her $102. She's buying from Dick Van Dyke Appliance World. From